Which atmospheric layer is characterized by the occurrence of almost all weather phenomena? A. Troposphere. B. Exosphere. C. Stratosphere. D. Mesosphere. The correct answer is A. Troposphere. What causes tropical depressions during both southwest monsoon and retreating monsoon? A. Easterly jet streams. B. Westerly jet streams. C. Polar vortices. D. Subtropical high pressure. The correct answer is A. Easterly jet streams. What is one pair of roles distinguished in the text? A. Scavengers and omnivores. B. Predators and prey. C. Herbivores and carnivores. D. Producers and decomposers. The correct answer is D. Producers and decomposers. What is the consequence of Tamil Nadu being in the rain shadow region during the southwest monsoon? A. It has no impact on its rainfall. B. It experiences severe droughts. C. It receives only a meager amount of rain. D. It receives abundant rainfall. The correct answer is C. It receives only a meager amount of rain. In which regions are tsunamis generally noticed? A. Forest regions. B. Desert regions. C. Coastal regions. D. Mountainous regions. The correct answer is C. Coastal regions. What affects the climate of India? A. Latitudinal extent. B. Ocean currents. C. Volcanic activity. D. Population density. The correct answer is A. Latitudinal extent. What led to the development of agriculture? A. Need for clothing. B. Scarcity of food. C. Abundance of food. D. Availability of shelter. The correct answer is B. Scarcity of food. What is the primary classification of rocks based on their formation? A. Extrusive, intrusive, and erosional. B. Igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. C. Stratified, unstratified, and foliated. D. Volcanic, plutonic, and crystalline. The correct answer is B. Igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. What is the typical duration over which daily and seasonal weather events are accumulated to define climate? A. 10 to 15 years. B. 5 to 10 years. C. 50 to 60 years. D. 30 to 35 years. The correct answer is D. 30 to 35 years. What biological resource might a district write about if it has all features? A. Poultry. B. Variety of fish. C. Livestock. D. Grains. The correct answer is B. Variety of fish. What river is associated with the Itaipu Dam? A. Amazon. B. Parna. C. Colorado. D. Yangtze. The correct answer is B. Parna. What natural phenomenon is listed as an atmospheric hazard? A. Forest fire. B. Oil spill. C. Land subsidence. D. Tsunami. The correct answer is A. Forest fire. What does Maghreb mean in Arabic? A. East. B. West. C. North. D. South. The correct answer is B. West. What type of volcano is formed by intense eruptions? A. Cinder cone volcano. B. Composite volcano. C. Stratovolcano. D. Shield volcano. The correct answer is D. Shield volcano. What is the height of Solacrado Peak? A. 1,220 meters. B. 2,800 meters. C. 1,620 meters. D. 600 meters. The correct answer is C. 1,620 meters. Which agent of erosion is responsible for forming eskers? A. Wind. B. Glacial. C. Underground water. D. River. The correct answer is B. Glacial. What physical characteristic of the Earth is an objective to learn about? A. The Earth's size. B. The Earth's rotation speed. C. The Earth's mass. D. The Earth's shape. The correct answer is D. The Earth's shape. What can cause great loss of life, sometimes more than the earthquake itself, when originating below waves or near the sea? A. Floods and waves. B. Icebergs and blizzards. C. Droughts and heat waves. D. Strong winds and hailstorms. The correct answer is A. Floods and waves. Where is the Isthmus of Panama located in relation to South America? A. Southeast. B. Southwest. C. Northwest. D. Northeast. The correct answer is C. Northwest. The National Capital Territory, NCT, of Delhi falls under which seismic zone? A. Zone I. B. Zone V. C. Zone 3. D. Zone 4. The correct answer is D. Zone 4. Which landform is described as China's Zhangjiajie Tianqing at 2,172 feet? A. Tularosa. B. The world's deepest sinkhole. C. Gadoline. D. Lapis. The correct answer is B. The world's deepest sinkhole. Which type of landforms are continents and oceans? A. Fourth-order landforms. B. Third-order landforms. C. First-order landforms. D. Second-order landforms. The correct answer is C. First-order landforms. What connects South America with North America? A. The Amazon River. B. The Caribbean Sea. C. The Isthmus of Panama. D. The Andes Mountains. The correct answer is C. The Isthmus of Panama. Mahabalipuram is described as having what kind of features? A. Modern and urban. B. Agricultural and rural. C. Architectural and archaeological. D. Industrial and commercial. The correct answer is C. Architectural and archaeological. What type of plant life forms are included in natural vegetation? A. Only trees. B. Trees, bushes, herbs, and forbs. C. Only agricultural crops. D. Only garden plants. The correct answer is B. Trees, bushes, herbs, and forbs. What is the characteristic shape of a delta? A. Triangular. B. Circular. C. Rectangular. D. Oval. The correct answer is A. Triangular. What is the method of representing the spherical Earth on a flat surface called? A. Topography. B. Geography. C. Physiography. D. Cartography. The correct answer is D. Cartography. What is listed as a primary reference for economic geography? A. Eurarticalibrary.com. B. K. Khanna and V. K. Gupta, 1998. C. Wood & Roberts, 2010. D. Jesse P. H. Poon, 2016. The correct answer is C. Wood & Roberts, 2010. What does GNSS stand for in the context of mapping techniques? A. Global Network Satellite Signals. B. Geographic Nodal Sensing Stations. C. General National Surveying Services. D. Global Navigational Satellite Systems. The correct answer is D. Global Navigational Satellite Systems. What type of settlement is characterized by a small population and low population density? A. Compact settlement. B. Urban settlement. C. Nucleated settlement. D. Rural settlement. The correct answer is D. Rural settlement. How did you score?